Welcome to TaxTron Web tutorial video series, where we will guide you on how to prepare a bankruptcy return. Before we dive in, there are a few crucial points to remember about bankruptcy returns. You can e-file your pre-bankruptcy tax return. You need to file two tax returns, pre-bankruptcy return and post-bankruptcy return. Let's get started by logging into your TaxTron Web account. Once logged in, open a new return and ensure you've filled out the Personal Information section under Identification. Now, look for the Taxpayer's Address tab under Identification and scroll down to find the question, "Is this a bankruptcy return?" Answer yes to this question, and it will prompt you for the date of bankruptcy. Enter the date and click Next. In the next step, we need to report all relevant sources of income from the pre-bankruptcy period. In this tutorial, we have reported self-employment income. Next, under the Income heading on the left, click on Other Income and then Bankruptcy Information. You need to specify if this return is up to bankruptcy or after the date of bankruptcy. For this tutorial, we're preparing a pre-bankruptcy return. The software will then ask if the taxpayer is currently in bankruptcy and if they declared bankruptcy in the year after the one they are filing for. In our case, since we're filing for 2022, the system will ask if we declared bankruptcy in 2023. For our example, we'll select No for both questions. Now, enter the income of $45,000 in the section called Income from Pre-Bankruptcy Return and click Next. To understand how bankruptcy affects the tax return, let's check whether our non-refundable tax credits are getting prorated. In our scenario, if this were a normal tax return, the taxpayer could be eligible to claim a maximum basic personal amount of $14,398. However, due to bankruptcy, the prorated basic personal amount is $9,901.09. That's it. You've successfully prepared a bankruptcy return using TaxTron Web. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope it has been helpful in navigating the process of filing a bankruptcy return. Thank you for watching.